But third is the corruption issues katulad ng flood control. So we finished a caucus over lunch and we agreed, subject to some minor discussion pa among our chairpersons and the paperwork, that a subcommittee will be formed sa flood control and Senator Marcoleta will issue the notices on Monday para ituloy na sa Thursday yung flood control scam hearings. It will be impartial and we want the whole truth and not only some truth or some true, some not true to come out. Kung makikita nyo, may conflict na kagad. Sabi ng ombudsman, meron mastermind. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, walang mastermind. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, ito yung mga dapat hindi imbitahin. Sabi naman ni Senator Marcoleta, ito dapat imbitahin. So I'm inviting the whole public, bantayan nyo Senado, in the same manner that we are on trial when we have the impeachment. We also have to hold everyone accountable pagdating dito sa flood control. Which goes to my second point. The Committee on Public Order, dun po na-assign yung May 11 events that for us led to the May 13. And ngayon, kung sino-sino nag-iimbestiga, sabay-sabay po ngayon nag-iimbestiga, nagsistatement sa Senate. DOJ, NBI, CIDG, may PNP, may CIDG, hiwalay pa sa spokesperson ng PNP, meron pang so Ombudsman, NBI, DOJ, PNP, CIDG, DILG. Agad-agad pumayag kami sa joint with the DILG at PNP, but at one point, sila na lang. Kami tahimik para independent. Pero kung ano na narinig kong statement, katulad nung sa CIDG na imbestigahan daw si Robin at kami dun sa pagtakas ni Senator Bato. Mismong boss nyo na mismong DILG at PNP nagsabi na May 13, wala pa kayong hawak na warrant at pending pa sa Supreme Court kung pwede nga i-serve yung warrant. So paano naging pagtakas yon at paano naging krimen na tulungan siyang makalabas? So kung iimbestigahan nyo ang buong Senate at majority, kailangan yung imbestigahan ng Chief PNP at SILG. Kasi sila mismo nagsabi, wala namang warrant na isa-serve. So, you know, it's getting crazy. Paulit-ulit na lang kayo na magulo ang Senado. Hindi po ginugulo nyo.